Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Lego bricks with paper. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need some sturdy cardstock, a good pair of scissors, a ruler for precise measurements, and a reliable glue stick or craft glue. Selecting paper with at least a 65-pound weight will ensure your bricks are strong and hold their shape well. You can find many printable templates online, or simply draw your own for consistent brick sizes. Now let's get to the folding. Begin by carefully cutting out your chosen template. Precision here is key for a neat final product. Next, use a ruler and a dull knife or scoring tool to score all the fold lines. This step creates crisp, clean creases, making the folding process much easier and more accurate. Once scored, gently fold the paper along every line, starting to see your brick take shape. With your brick folded, it's time to secure it. Apply a thin, even layer of glue to all the tabs on your template. Press these tabs firmly against the corresponding surfaces, holding them for about 10 to 15 seconds to ensure a strong bond. For the studs, cut small circles or roll tiny paper cylinders. These will give your paper bricks that classic Lego look. Carefully glue these studs onto the top surface of your assembled brick. Finally, let's personalize your creations. You can decorate your finished paper bricks using markers, colored pencils, or even small pieces of colored paper for unique designs. Don't be afraid to experiment with different brick sizes and shapes to expand your building possibilities. These handmade paper bricks offer a fun, creative, and inexpensive way to enjoy building, allowing you to construct all sorts of imaginative structures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.